sa mga man siya class actually class ko ni siya gusto na ko tiwason ang katong calculation ani. However, pag-abot na ako dito sa number of bars na dili man siya mapaigo sa 250 man siya originally. Padunggan mo ko niya class. Klaro ko niya class.
Yes, sir. Klaro, sir.
Asin klaro kayo?
Yes, sir.
So, 250 man siya una. Kung gilaparan kay dili pa higop sa kung saan ako kuan ako kay kabilya dili pa higop gyapon. So, pangit na pud kayo nga ako kay kabilya, kamay kay imo. Kuy sayo pud. Usab ang kanina para makahumanta. Usab na ako ang problem gamay kay para makahumanta sa ngadto sa paingon sa number of bars. Ako na lang gipapili niyo gamit og 36 mm in the bar diameter. Both for top and bottom bars. So, wala pong bigay mong 400 orong FY kay dili man na practical ang wala mo na sa tinuod ng 350 actually. It's only for the sake of problem solving. And then ako na sa nag-calculate na ng 70 mm covering. So, muna na usab. So, reminder, kung sayop na din ako sayop like no? So, double reinforcement ano? So, din sa class so, hindi ko na sayop. Naatay naman tayo moment due to load, no? Ultimate moment due to load. So, dapat di ay i-calculate na to ang nominal moment. Dito na rin si nominal moment at itong gagawin. Dili si ultimate moment. So, si ultimate moment man is the reduced nominal moment. So, kuha ko na to si nominal moment so that si nominal moment rin itong i-compare kang moment capacity, no? Without the reduction factor. So, muna ang atong kung sayop mong last time kay si excess moment is equal to the ultimate moment minus moment capacity, which is wrong. No? Kasi ultimate moment kay kuan man siya reduced nominal moment man na-reduce man to si ultimate moment minus na akong moment capacity nga wala man si moment capacity wala man siya reduction factor. So Mn minus Mc. So from the ultimate load Mu, mao na to si nominal moment Fu over reduction factor. Okay. And this is taken from the formula na Mu is equal to the reduced nominal moment. So, nominal moment is Mu over reduction factor. So, pag kumankuha ulit nato si MC, no? Kani siya nga equation. And then, mo si moment capacity. So, if the nominal moment is greater than the capacity, meaning ang imong nominal moment load is greater than the capacity, then na ay nag-exist moment. Mn minus Mc. So, dili ko na sa'yo, Mu kung butang Filipino. So, Mn minus Mc. But if Mn is less than or equal to Mc, then sign the beam for tension only. Mora akong sa'yo plus. Kaya lang, I need to correct it or else sa'yo mo permitanan. Okay, so, proceed sa problem. Diba? Design a rectangular beam to carry a maximum design moment of 272 kilonewton meter. This is already including its own weight. The beam is limited to a cross-section of 300 by 420 mm. Use FC prime 20.7 and FY 400 megapascal. Steel covering of 70 mm. and for top and bottom 36 mm per diameter. Okay? So, ano no? 300 for 20. Yeah, yan yung covering dia is 70 tanan. So first is we need to determine, given naman atong moment load, no? Moment load of 272 megapascal. So we need to determine the nominal moment, nominal design moment at tension control condition. Aron we can use the reduction factor of 0.9. Or else, kung dili na sa tension control condition, di tagagamit sa 0.9. So, MU is the equal to the reduced nominal moment pa, no? So, makuha na to si nominal moment is equal to MU over reduction factor. So, we have the nominal moment equal to 302.2 kilonewton meter. Now, akong napakita din nga calculation is based on this equation, katong na IW. IW. Kani siya, no? Although this has the same, the same na siya equation, the same na siya calculation na ni class. Tara. The same na siya calculation actually. Okay, narahon. Kani akong unahon, kanila ba ito akong na-introduce dito sa first na akong slide, ang aming na page. MC is 0.85 FC prime, AB times P minus A over 2. Although kani siya nga equation is only taken from this one month. Diba? And I believe nga ito na rin na-try before. So, if you use this one nga na IW, okay rin gyapon na. Kung kani imong gamiton nimo, okay rin gyapon. Kundi lang ka, kung kaasa ka mo agi. So, kung kani itong gamiton, as we have introduced in the introduction sa atong double reinforced beam. Kung kani atong gamiton, wherein atong FY is 400, FC prime to 20.7, with this 300, H is 420. Covering is 70. So, makuha na to C depth equal to 420 minus 70 is equal to 350, no? So, at ang atong unknown din is A man. Si ang value sa A, so kung wala value sa A, and then we want to achieve the tension control condition, so automatically ang atong C is 0.375D or 3 over 8D, no? So makuha na to si C, 0.375D. So that is 131.25. And knowing FC prime is 20.7, imong beta 1 is only 0.85. So makuha na to si A which is equal to beta 1C. So beta 1C, no? So 111.56. So makuha nila na to si MC, no? 0.85 FC prime, 0.85, yeah, FC prime times A times B times D atong di kani minus A over 2. No? Ano siya, no? Nahimo 173.26 kilonewton meter. So, same as this one, same as this calculation, although lahat ng pagka-calculate, pero it will result to the same value, no? Aron sa naasad mo ito ka amoy makumpara. Anyway, pareha na sila kay wala na sila ka formula, lahat lang face, lahat lang itsura, no? So in this case, knowing N, we need to determine the moment capacity of the beam, not tension control condition. Tension control condition. So we have our target or the steel ratio at the tensile to achieve tension control, where C is 3 over 8D or 0.375D. Beta 1 is 0.85. So we have this one, our steel ratio to achieve tensile control is 0.01402. Atong gi-apply si CDD, 3 over 8. Knowing our steel ratio, makuha na to si W. So W is still ratio Fy over Fc prime. O na ano, itong substitute siya diha. Para to si W nga 0.2709. So, apply din nato din nga value. Fc prime 20.7, B is 300. D is kompleto na to. W is given na W, 0.2709. Okay, so D na lang, no? D is H minus 70. So for 20 minus 70 is 350. No? So, makuha na to. 20.7, 300, 350 square, 0.2709. Minus 1 minus W over 2 times 0.85. So 2 times 0.85 is actually katong 0.59 W mo to. 0.59 W. So calculating this one will give us the same value, 173.26. Parehara sila. So, parehara ha, kaninga formula, parehara siya ni. So, knowing MC, so since MC is less than the nominal moment na 302, therefore the design the beam with compression reinforcement with excess moment, yes. So let us let M1 be our MC now. From moment capacity due to concrete. Then determine the excess moment of the beam. So the excess moment of the beam is the nominal moment minus MC, or the nominal moment minus the moment capacity. So 302.22 minus 173.26. So the excess moment is 128.96. No? And then we will let M2 is equal to our ME, or the excess moment. Next is we will determine the steel area required for tension. So the steel area required for tension is both part 1 and part AS is equal to AS1, which is taken from part 1, plus AS2, which is taken from part 2. So from part 1, M1 is equal to AS1 Fy D minus A over 2. No? So asa mo na siya gikuha? Dini na siya gikuha, oh. Dini siya gikuha, no? Kaniyo. Kani nga moment, M1 man ino. M1 man ino. So AS1 Fy times the lever arm nga D minus A over 2. Yeah, siya gikuha. AS1 Fy D minus A over 2. So kana Fy na gina siya kay naman siya sa tension side, and we idealize it to achieve tension control condition. Since the design is to achieve tension control condition, with C is 3 over 8D or 3.375D. Makuha na to si C nga 0.375 or 350. So naa kay C nga 131.25. Same as here, 131.25. Kanya A is beta 1C, where beta 1 is 0.25. So atong A is 111.563. Same as here. So from our equation, M1 is AS1 Fy over D minus A over 2. Makuha na to si AS1 diya. Makuha na to si AS1. So si AS1 is M1 all over Fy times D minus A over 2. So M1 na to kay 173.26 times 10 to 6 over 400. Depth is 350 minus A over 2. So makuha na to si AS1 nga 1472.21 square millimeter. So stay put lang sana siya. Stay put lang sana eh. On M2 is our part 2 is to determine the AS2. So asa man siya dapit, dinisa na siya, oh. Kanina, no? Kanina M2, no? M2 sa tension AS2. So AS2 times Fy times the lever arm na D minus A over D minus D prime. So muna AS2 Fy D minus D prime. Ano po na to si AS2 M2 over Fy D minus D prime. So we have our M2 128.96 times 10 to 6. Fy is 400, D minus D prime 350 minus 70. It will give us 1,151.45 square millimeter AS2. At ito yung total si ito yung total si AS 1 or 9 AS no 1472.21 1151.45. Tagaantan niya og 2,623.65 square millimeter. Sunod is sa compression na sa no, determine the steel reinforcement for compression. But first, we need to check if the compression steel yields, no? Or if the steel in compression yields. So itong pangitaon ni si FS prime. Si FS prime is taken here, from here, no? Kopiyahon ko na lang eh. Kopiyahon ko na lang. Generic mo ito eh. Generic. So makita nato din nga atong gipangita si FS prime ato no. So dinhi atong gamiton, kanina atong gamiton no. Dinhi man nato makuha si FS prime. So FS prime is kung na to si kung makuha na to si ES prime, makuha na to si FS prime kasi FS prime ES prime times ES man. So si ES prime kay kuha mo to si ES prime 0.003 D minus o C minus D prime over C. Therefore, si FS prime, i-multiply na ito 200,000 nga E. Mauna mahimo siyang 600 D minus C minus D prime over C. So, check na ito si FS prime. No? 600 C minus D prime over C. So, ulit siya ron. Now, FS prime is only 280, less than the FY. Therefore, our steel in compression doesn't yield. No? So, we will use the actual value of 2 megapascal. So, AS prime is M2 over FS prime D minus D prime. So, the M2 is 128.962 times 10 to 6. So, 280 atong gamit kay ang ayang actual na value. No? So, 350 minus 70. So, kitagahantan niya AS prime nga 1664.92 square millimeter. Now, next is to determine the number of bars or 36 mm diameter bar for both top and bottom locations. So for compression bars with AS prime 1664.92, ato lang makuha ang number of bars or number of 36 mm bars by dividing the total area AS prime from the to the area of 136 mm bar. So kailangan niya 1.62. So therefore provide two 36 mm diameter compression bars. Then tension bars with AS 2623.65 square millimeter. The number of bar is AS over the area of one bar, 36 mm. So we have 2.95. So provide three 36 mm diameter tension bars. No? Now, we want to check the minimum bar spacing. No? Check the minimum bar spacing. With the clear spacing requirement, which is greater of 25 mm, the diameter of bar, or 4/3 the diameter of the aggregate. So assuming this is 20 mm aggregate size, so we'll have 20 mm, and then the diameter of bar is 36 mm, and 26.67 or 27 na lang mm. So the governing minimum spacing is ang 36 mm. Provided spacing is the width minus duha ka concrete cover minus duha ka stirrup minus the number of bars, no? Over number of bars minus 1. So in this case, we will provide 12 mm diameter stirrup size, no? Because the main bar is greater than 32 mm. Sabta ni class? Class.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the provided spacing will be 300 mm width minus 240 mm minus 212 mm minus 336 mm. By the way, ganun tuluman ka 36 mm anong kanima natong gi-check? Anong kanimang tulo ka 36 mm natong gi-check sa iyang spacing? Anong dili man ang 2? Ano man class? Class. Ano man?
Kay dili mo yield ang compression, sir. Compression bar, sir.
Isa. Isa pa ba? Other guess. One. Class. Ingog lagi mo lagi. Ano man? Because kung mapaigo siya sa tulo ka 36 mm, away rason nga dili mo paigo siya sa duha ka buok. Paigo nga ni siya sa tulo. Paigo gid siya sa duha. Oh? So mas critical ang kaning tulo kay mas duol man ang spacing ni kaysa kaning duha lang ka buok. Nakuha ni class?
Yes, sir.
So minus 3 ka 36 mm divided by 3 minus 1. So we will have a spacing of 44 mm, which is greater than the governing minimum spacing of 36 mm, no? So therefore, the provided bar spacing is adequate. Now, check actual ultimate moment capacity with the provided reinforcement. So calculating the compression forces C sub C and C sub S, respectively. C sub C is the compression due to concrete. C sub S is the compression due to steel. Kanina siya. C sub 1 din is C sub C na. Muna C sub C or C sub 1 is the compression due to concrete. And C sub 2 is the compression due to or C sub S is compression due to the steel. Kanina siya kulangan din ito kasi. Kulangan ni siya class. Dapat ni siya, naman siya bangag di ako no, na siya bangag. So yung ani na siya class eh. Asa na to. Ani. So yung ani siya class. Kanina to yung total compression no. Ang kanang gray is mo na ay mong concrete no. Ang itom is mo na yung steel. So ang gray, ang area ng gray is AB minus sa yung AS prime. AS prime man eh. Yung gitanggal diya, no, nabangag man siya. So, AP din na siya minus A prime. Ano din na siya. Para mo to. AB. Uy, nagag ko pa. Minus AS prime. No? Anak din na. I need to correct ini. I need to correct. So, C1. C1 is C sub C, C2 is C sub S. So, dito. So, C sub C or C sub S, C sub C and C sub S. May pag C sub C o C sub S ang gamit ba? C sub C o C sub S. Ano talaga? C sub C o C sub S. Pero 1 and 2 na mura kayo gamit ko. M1 and 2. Sige lang, C sub S. Kanina lang kay M1. Lang na. Sleepy. Okay. So, yun to. C sub C and C sub S, respectively. So, kung ano sa nato kung ano, kung ano sa nato si AS prime, kaya magamit na nato si AS prime. Magamit na to si AS prime, kaya AS prime bios, compression C sub C o C sub S. So, si AS prime is only 2 cut 36 mm. So, 2035.75 squares. So, C sub C is 185 FC prime times, ang area, net area is AB minus AS prime. So, applying values, we will have C sub C is 553,063.6 Newton. What about C sub S? AS prime, so 2035.75 times 280 nga FS prime. So, kay 570.10 ay 570,010.57 Newton. So, ato na i-calculate ang nominal moment capacity, no? Nominal moment capacity. So, actual nga nominal moment. So, C sub C times the lever arm D minus A over 2 plus C sub S times the lever arm D minus D prime. So flying values 5,553,000 times 250 at D minus A over 2 plus 570,000 times 250 minus 70. So total divided by the name of 1,000 square. So it will give us a moment capacity of 322.325 kilonewton meter. No? So kung sina, ano siyang ultimate moment capacity? The nominal moment capacity. So, tingnan ko ang si MU. So, MU capacity, the reduced moment, reduced nominal moment, reduced nominal moment, reduced nominal moment. So, unsa ni si MN? Saan ba? Siya. So, according na to si ultimate moment capacity is equal to the reduced nominal moment capacity. So, 0.9 times 322.325. So, the nominal moment is 290 kilonewton, which is greater than 272 nga load, ultimate load, moment load na to. Therefore, the design beam is adequate for the given load. So, design section detail is 1A. Subtan class? Subtan class?
Yes, sir.
Question. Question class. Class. So I will send this to you sa messenger and then go over it, and I am expecting questions after 5 minutes ha. After or even 15 minutes. Send na ko ni sa inyo ha. Siya. I will be expecting questions ha after 5 to 15 minutes. I will let you go over this one. Pili kong kasend ba yung ano dito kasend? Yes. Yes.
Tatak sa moderator kay this message is not available on this version.
Yan naman.
Basin sa akong on. Basin sa ako. Ara po ni sir.
Kita na sa uban. How about the others? Nakita mo daw nila, oh.
Yes, sir. Kita na, sir.
Oh, kuan lang na imong say gamit ni mo laptop or kuan. Kuan lang, i-update or lagi i-update. So class, see you in after 5 to 15 minutes.